Dear students, today we are here on exponent and powers chapter. If you must be remembering, in our last class, I have given you so much of information about what is exponent, what is power, what is exponential form, and how you got this exponent and power in mathematics. What is the real life use of exponent and power chapter, and why it is so simple to convert a large number into in exponential form in a smaller way. And you agreed also that yes, large number can be expressed in the form of exponential form, and that becomes very easy and convenient when we write in the form of exponent. Okay, so today we will discuss more about that topic. So I would request all of you, whatever questions I will give you right now, please try to write it down on your fair copy. Maybe this question belongs to your fair copy, or maybe does not belong to your fair maths book, but you have to do it on your fair copy. So the first question which I am giving you is, write in the form of exponent. Okay, I'll give you simply two questions to just relate that do you remember yesterday's work or not. Okay, so the first one is m into m into m into m divided by or just upon n into n into n. This is first question. Second one is a into a into a into b into b upon 1 upon c, 1 upon c, and 1 upon c. Now write it down in the form of exponent. What will you write it down when you convert it to exponent now? Let's start now. Now, students, whatever answer you gave it to me, that was totally right. Now, let me explain it to you. You can see here, m is repeated 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it will be m to the power 4 divided by, or you can have the sign of upon, n into n into n. It means n is repeated 3 times. So, it will be n to the power 3. This is the complete answer for question number 1. Then a, it means 3 times. So, a to the power 3 multiply by b is coming 2 times, so b to the power 2 multiply 1 by c is repeating 3 times, so simply you can write it down 1 by c to the power 3. या अगर आप चाहो तो इसको लिख सकते हो like Saransh has given the answer to me, a to the power 3 multiply by b to the power 3 divided by 1 upon c to the power 3, because 1 एक ऐसा नंबर है जिसका आप कुछ भी पावर कर लो, इवन 1000 करोड़ 1 करोड़ माइनस पॉजिटिव जो भी आपको पावर करनी है, 1 is a number, special number. If you whatever you want to give the power to 1, it will reflect the same number as 1 only. Okay, whether you put a minus power, whether you put a positive power, whether you put a very large power, the answer will remain same. So this was all about what I have explained that day. Now let us move on to the questions related to it, which are very very short questions which I am discussing right now. सबसे पहले suppose the question comes, I am discussing exercise 13.1, some of the questions which are just intro based. Okay, then we will be discussing more property related to it, but I am going to discuss the questions which are without a property, they can be solved. First question, it is telling you have to find the value. Like suppose the question came 9 to the power 3, the question came 11 to the power 2. So I am not taking 11 to the power 2, which is very easy. I am taking 1 upon 13 to the power 2. Okay, these two questions I am taking. Remember always, if the question comes, you have to find the value. So जब भी हमें question दिया जाए, find the value, and you have the power form given in the question or exponential form given in the question. Always spread the number. Spread the number means you are knowing it is written 9 to the power 3. If you have to open it or you have to expand it, it will be right 9 into 9 into 9, because 9 की power 3 है, that means it will be open like 9 into 9 into 9. Now when you will solve this, you are knowing 9 nines are 81 and 81 nines are, you will get it 729. Don't write the answer 27. I am telling you beta, सच में बहुत सारे बच्चे जल्दबाजी में आंसर करते हैं. 9 की पावर 3 आंसर इज 27. Please keep in your mind, if you write 9 to the power 3, that doesn't mean 9 into 3. That means 9 into 9 into 9. 3 times it will be the same number will get multiplied. Now 1 by 30. Yes, correct. Now 1 by 13 to the power 2. The same process. 1 by 13 multiply by 1 by 13. Now numerator will get multiplied with numerator and denominator will get multiplied by denominator only. So 1 multiplied by 1, it will give you simple 1. 13 multiplied by 13, it will give you 169. This is the simplest question you can do. Now I am going to give you a question. Just a second, beta. 2 by 5 to the power 3. Students, please solve it. Always remember, you don't multiply 2 with 3. You just simply multiply the same number with itself only. So it means अगर आप 8 upon 125 बोलते हो तो the answer will become wrong in that case. ठीक है? So the answer should be 8 upon 125. It should not be 6 by 15. Now first question got over, I believe. Now let's discuss the next question. The next question will be, you have to simply write it down in exponential form, which we have just completed when we have started this exercise. Now I want to discuss a next question, question number 3. When you have any number, a larger number, suppose I am taking the example of 343. There are many more examples, but I am just taking this question. Now suppose the question comes in this form, or maybe it can be a very larger number as well. And question आपको ये लेकर आए, you have to express the following using exponential notation. What will you do, beta? Simply remember, any number can be written in the form of exponent by the method of prime factorization, because prime factorization is a method which break the number into its product form. ठीक है, product form in the form of prime numbers. So simply just have a prime factorization of it. 343 अपने दिमाग में रख लीजिए, ना 2 से डिवाइड होता है, ना 3 से होता है, ना 4 से होता है, ना 5 से होता है, ना 6 से होता है. किससे डिवाइड होता है? Can anyone tell me? 7 से होता है, right? It will be directly divided by 7 and it will give you the number 49 when you will divide this. Again you will get it 7 only. Yes, and again you will get it 7 only. Now when you have to write it down 343, it will give you 7 into 7 into 7, which will give you 7 to the power 3. And always remember, beta, while writing, write base as a larger form में, and जो हम power लगाते हैं बेटा उसको थोड़ा सा छोटा लिखना, ताकि दोनों में डिफरेंस समझ में आए कि आपने बेस क्या लिखा है, आपने पावर क्या लिखी है. 73 नजर नहीं आना चाहिए. ठीक है, it should look 7 to the power 3. It should not be looking like 773. Now can you please speak to me, what can you write it down if I'm giving you a simple answer like 81? बिना सॉल्व किए बता सकते हो 81 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 9 to the power 2. Okay, or students, sometimes this condition will happen कि आपको दो आंसर मिलेंगे, like because दोनों ही सेम आंसर दे रहे हैं आपको. 9 की पावर 2 will give you 81, 3 की पावर 4 will also give you 81 only. But keep in your mind, beta, when we use the method of prime factorization, you always break the number into its simplest way, and 9 is not the simplest number. The simplest number is 3. ओके क्योंकि ये नंबर अभी कंप्लीट आंसर नहीं दे रहा है बेटा, कंप्लीट आंसर ये दे रहा है 3 की पावर 4. फाइन, 3 की पावर 4 का मतलब होता है 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which will give you 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. That is correct. 9 की पावर 2 भी बेटा करेक्ट आंसर है, लेकिन इसको हम एप्रोप्रिएट आंसर नहीं बोलेंगे बिकॉज ये अभी आगे सॉल्व हो सकता है, बट इसके आगे ये सॉल्व नहीं होगा. दिस इज द कंप्लीट आंसर 3 to the power 4, but 9 to the power 2 is not a complete answer. It will be a incomplete solution. Are you getting it? Which will be the appropriate answer, 3 to the power or 9 to the power 2? Okay, fine.